Here are the top 5 free apps that offer a great VR viewing experience in 2025 based on user reviews and expert opinions. VR, our choice. It is a platform for discovering and enjoying immersive VR content. The app is easy to use, even for beginners, with features like built-in screenshot templates to capture and share your VR experiences. You can also download VR content for offline viewing. The app is completely free to use. VRTube offers curated playlists for a variety of VR experiences, allowing you to easily find content you will enjoy. It supports immersive 360 degrees panoramic videos and works with various VR headsets, from cardboard to more advanced models. You can also search and watch VR videos directly from YouTube and even stream multiple VR videos simultaneously. Mobile VR Station works seamlessly with a wide range of VR headsets, offering excellent compatibility. You can customize the app settings to suit your preferences and enjoy a cinematic VR experience with a virtual theater. The app also works with a remote control, letting you control playback with your VR headset's button. You can easily scan QR codes to access VR content. Go VRPlayer plays a wide variety of video formats, including high-resolution content. You can watch VR videos stored on your iPhone and enjoy VR content from websites that use HTML5. The app offers intuitive interface for easy navigation and playback control, and it plays both 2D and 3D VR content. VR1 Cinema transforms your iPhone into a virtual cinema, providing a great home entertainment experience. You can access a library of online VR content and control playback with a Bluetooth keyboard. The app offers predefined presets for quick customization and easy-to-use playback controls for smooth navigation. These top 5 free VR video player apps for iPhone offer a great starting point for exploring the world of virtual reality.